Here's how to contact support for Remember the Milk. Alright, so getting in touch with RTM is super easy. You go up to the top right with the gear icon, click on that, scroll down halfway to Contact Us, click on that, and then they give you 3 choices of the context of why you want to contact them. You have a bug to report, you have a question or suggestion, so click on one of those, and then it's basically like an email form, subject line, message. You can attach a file or a screenshot, which is actually super useful, especially if you're witnessing some type of like odd, bizarre behavior. And then you also have the option of changing your email address, which is actually useful if, say, you have a new email that you're using now, but you haven't switched over to that email on your RTM account. And that's it. Click send once you're done typing that out, and you're good to go. And they should be getting back to you within hopefully a reasonable time. And to do it on your mobile device, just click on that top left menu icon, click on that question mark icon, click on Remember the Milk Basics, click on menu, click on help, and then scroll down and you will see email us, and then click on that and you are all set. Thanks for checking out this video. If you'd like to download my free Remember the Milk cheat sheet, the link is in the description below.